What's up, everybody? Welcome to the vlog. Today we have a real diffuser that will go on the rear of the car, which is gonna look real nice. I got it right here. So the company that I got it from is Magic Drift, and I had the lip that's in front of the car. Y'all can check it out in the previous video, which is from the same company. So today we got the real diffuser, and I'm gonna unbox it. So that's what we're doing today. We're just gonna unbox it because I don't have too much time to install it. That will be on the next video. So hopefully it's what I order. You know how it is sometimes. You can get the wrong stuff in the box, and you gotta send it back because it wasn't the right one. Blah blah blah. But it should be the right one. What we got here? Oh, we got a license tag thing. Actually, I got this for my Hyundai Tiburon, and so this one I might use, I might not, but I got another one. I already used that one. It got instructions, but I won't need it because it's easy to put on. But anyway, so let's take it out of the box. I'm not gonna take it out yet, but there's some more stuff here. Let me see what else is in here. Let's open this small box to see what's in it. Oh man, they give me a cup. Man, that's pretty cool. So I can drink my pimp juice in here. You know what I'm saying? Give me a little Corona or something with some ice or something. Be like, okay, I'm good to go.
That's a nice cup.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it is.
It's like some type of material, probably the same material
like
as this,
it.
but it's nice. Oh man, I like it. I didn't know
That's
they were
nice.
gonna give me a cup. But now this is what we was trying to see to see if it's the right one. It looks to be exact what I ordered. The 2009 rear diffuser, Nissan Maxima, 3.5 liter. I see some hardware in there. I'll get it in a minute, but I gotta show y'all this. So
Okay.
it's gonna go like this. Got a little shark fins looking thing. It's the inside here. But I'm gonna show y'all how it's supposed to go at the end of the day when it's all done. It's supposed to go like right here. Let me see. Gotta go flush. Gotta get this side here. It's supposed to go just like this, but of course with the hardware it will stay there. Like go down to ain't no way like this. It's not gonna be on today, but I just wanted to unbox it so it gives like life to it. So I'm gonna take it off for right now. Put it right here. Let's see what the hardware is. They got it really nice right here in this corner. So we got 3M tape. And we got some screws. We got 4 screws and 3M tape. And later on I supposed to sand the edges all the way around with 60 grit. Clean it up and then bolt it to where I need it, to where it's gonna stay flush. 3M tape. Heat that 3M tape to this in the car so it can stay flush where it meets with the car. And so I like this. It's like really nice. But on my previous video I said that I want to wrap it after I paint it like glossy black. I want to got really gloss black and then wrap in carbon fiber so it can look so good. because the front lip is it's the same product, it's the same company material. So when I get both of the stuff at the shop, paint it black and then carbon fiber, and then I'll make installation video of this in the rear, because the front lip is already in the car, so it's gonna be real good. So I got that. I got a cup, like I said, pretty cool. So you know, like I said, tonight I'm probably gonna wash it and use it, and it's gonna be good. But anyways, so that's all I got today. I just wanted to unbox that because in the previous video said I was gonna get one, so I finally got it. So make sure y'all follow my channel, subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next one.